What you need to know about Carnival's private island Half Moon Cay. What you need to know about Carnival's private island Carnival Elation at Half Moon Cay. Carnival's private island, Half Moon Cay, is a largely undeveloped island located in the southeastern Bahamas. It provides guests with a stunning crescent-shaped beach to swim and lounge, as well as a variety of activities to fill the day. Named Best Private Island 20 years in a row by Porthole Cruise magazine, it is clearly popular among its guests. To make the most of your day, here's what you need to know when visiting Half Moon Cay. Half Moon Cay. Many cruisers are familiar with Nassau, the capital of the Bahamas. About 100 miles southeast is a quiet uninhabited island, Little San Salvador, which is home to Carnival's Half Moon Cay. The island was purchased by Holland America, also owned by Carnival Corporation, and both cruise lines make use of it during the year. It has a lot of natural beauty with 2,400 acres of mostly trees and bushes, along with a 2-mile-long beach. There is lots of room to explore. What's the weather like? Image Half Moon Cay. Being one of the most northerly islands in the Caribbean, Half Moon Cay is not super hot all year long but rather has some mild fluctuations. Winter months tend to be drier with temperatures in the high 70s for both the air and sea. A great time to explore the walking trails or to try a bike excursion. Spring begins to warm up to the 80s, ideal weather. Summer sees heat in the 90s, with higher humidity and the occasional rain shower. Although early fall can bring the odd storm, the weather moves back into the 80s with less rain. Half Moon Cay. The waters around Half Moon Cay are quite shallow, preventing docking. Cruisers need to tender ashore, which can take around 15 to 20 minutes. There are trams that run from the Welcome Center to the main areas on the island. Guests should make sure to bring everything they need for the day, lots of sunscreen, towels, sail and sign card, and anything else required for activities. There are locker rentals priced at $10 per person. There is no Wi-Fi onshore, but some guests have reported being able to access cell coverage with Bahamian cell providers. What is there to do? Half Moon Cay Beach. The major attraction on the island is its beautiful beach. Not surprising since the Bahamas has some of the best beaches in the world. There are free chairs and loungers on the beach, but do take note, the main beach area lacks adequate shade. Consider either renting a clamshell chaise for $30 or pick a spot a little farther back near the trees. Although there is no pool area, Carnival provides guests with a good array of activities. Ideally, book ahead of time so as to not be disappointed. Activities under $50. Island bike tour $20. Nature walk $20. Water floats $20. Water bikes $40. Eco lagoon tour $40. Stand-up paddleboard $40. Swimming with stingrays $45. Kayaking $45. $50 plus. Snorkeling by the boat $60. Watercraft adventure $95. Horseback riding $105. Other things to do. Pirate ship Half Moon Cay. Younger kids can play at the Half Moon Lagoon Aquapark, which has some slides and a pirate ship. There is also basketball, volleyball, shuffleboard and a playground. Buy some local handmade souvenirs at the straw market or the gift shop. There is even a small church for wedding ceremonies or vow renewals, a perfect backdrop for a romantic event. Cabana rentals. Image Half Moon Cay. For those who want to relax on the beach, and perhaps splurge a little, there are additional options. Cabana. Starting at $360, rent a beachside cabana with air conditioning and a private terrace, featuring a ceiling fan, refrigerator, table and chairs inside, outdoor dining table and chairs, the 2nd of December.